Hi, my name is Michala Found. I'm a rising senior, and I'm a photography major with a gender and sexuality studies minor. Currently, I'm an intern for HKB Photos, located in Philly. He's a freelance photographer, so he's been helping me with critiques and outside shoots and helping me get outside of my box more. We've been focusing a lot on learning more about different lightings and especially flash lighting, because that's something I'm not used to doing. I don't think there really is a typical day here. It simply just depends on what we have going on, what shoots we have. So it could be office hours, which would look like sometimes people come in for headshots that need them, critique work, or from a project that I was given, or workshopping, learning new things, even to going outside and helping on shoots, assisting on shoots. Something I like most about my internship is how close it is to the city and a lot of opportunities that can come from that, including I recently did a shoot for HKB where it ended up being at a Phillies game. So that was really fun. I've never been there before. It's definitely shaped my career goals by getting out what I definitely don't want to do, because in the photography industry, it's kind of hard to decide which field you want to go into because there's so many things that you could be doing. I have been liking a lot of the concert work I've been doing recently, and I had a show last weekend that I thought was really fun. It was fun experimenting with all the colors and lighting. I found my internship through Handshake, which is something that Arcadia had me download as a freshman that I used for other jobs as well. Other advice I would give to Arcadia students who want to do an internship is to really just push yourself and get out there. If you think, one job off of Handshake doesn't maybe out of your league a little bit, I think you're wrong, and there's so many ways that you can learn from those experiences. So it's always good to just put yourself out there as much as possible because you never know what can come from it.